Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp 2026 how to use follow me tools. So I will active for the layer tools. You can go to file, view, and then click toolbars. Check for large tool sheet. So it will be shown in the left here. For example, I will draw circle and then we draw paths with the line tools. Like I will click here in the green and the red and the blue. The next you can select the path, double click and go to follow me tools, click this icon. Now you can select at the circle face to use the follow me tools. Okay, another option like I will create a circle and then we create again in this green axis. You can press shift buttons and then click at this point. Also same, you need to select for the path. So I will click at this circle edge and then you can click follow me tools. Click on the face or circle to follow. That's it for basic follow me tools in SketchUp 2026.